we are talking to Geeta ma'am, and no show can be complete without Geeta ma'am, especially the dance shows, you know. और इस शो के बारे में क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
ये शो इसका 5वां सीजन
पांचवा
है,
सीजन।
इंडियाज बेस्ट डांसर का 5वां सीजन है, 4 जजेस हैं. Javed sir has joined us on the panel. It's going to be a fantastic show, ma'am. The songs that you have loved
Yeah.
in your eras, my era, the new kids, they will see the songs, why we loved them, क्यों हमें इनसे प्यार था, what was it that kind of kept us connected with those songs. And it's a show that will touch your heart in so many ways. Dance will reach out and grab your attention once again.
Anyway, how do you define dance? You know, आजकल जो dance कर रहे हैं बच्चे, it's so different. You know, during your time and our time, it used to be Bollywood, classical mix and all that. You know,
This
now
will be a
it is
fusion of
hip
many, yeah.
fusion of many. So, how do you describe the fusion of many? Hip hop
So
and what?
we are culturally inclined to fusing a lot of styles together.
Right.
Hindi film industry या Bollywood जिसे हम कहते हैं, the dancing in that has always been a fusion of many styles. Today dancers and kids are more inclined towards with the Western dance culture, and they've imbibed that into our culture as well. So I think when you talk about India wala dance, what we are trying to bring back is the connection that we had, you had, my parents had with
Yeah.
certain songs, certain ambience, certain auras, and this show will bring that essence back. It will tell people why we as a culture, the Indians as a cultural, our cultural background consists of a lot of kind of dancing. और वो करते करते हम कहीं भूल गए हैं. नाउ दैट वी आर इवॉल्विंग द डांस टू अ पॉइंट वेयर परफेक्शन, सब कुछ चाहिए हम लोगों को, टेक्निकलिटीज, ये सब चीज़ों को हटा के अगर आप देखेंगे तो देन यू नीड टू हैव अ कनेक्ट विद द डांस. दैट रिकॉल वैल्यू, दैट कनेक्शन, दैट what grabs your attention completely, that's what this show will bring back.
So, judging this show, you know, the competitors, how differently are you going to judge, especially this India wala dance, because it's going to be so different, as
So
you
my
say, you
peg for this show has always been that I would be judging newness on the show.
Right.
But this time, I want them not to bring something new to the table completely, but to take the older dancing, the old style of dancing, and to give it a little freshness. So I'm looking for a fresh attitude in the same ambience of what it was. तो जो गाना हमें पसंद है, I am saying keep the hook, keep the song, keep the melody, keep the movement, but bring a little bit of yourself in it.
Yeah, this generation, you know, is so competitive, and they are so well versed. Whatever they're doing, they do it in such with the blink of the eyelashes. So when judging them, how are you going to judge them? It becomes so difficult for you to judge. What is the barometer like you're going to judge them?
Honest.
Okay.
From my end, it's always going to be honest. And from their end, I would like them to be open to the critique, to the criticism, to the judgment that comes their way. It just gets easier then. So when you learn to take feedback, you learn to improve. So for me, when I watch their dancing, I just want them to come and honestly perform. Let me be honest and give you a feedback, and let's have that kind of a give and take on the show.
So are you going to have dances that you have taught these stars earlier from earlier films, your era?
I don't know. I just know that I don't know in the future what those episodes will bring. That is what we are also looking forward to. But I can tell you from what I've already shot that we have great dancing. Some fantastic songs that you couldn't imagine that could be put under the label of dance.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? I'm so excited.
Yes, I am excited. When I saw it, I was like, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि इस गाने पे डांस हो सकता है. And to keep that essence of the song alive and still bring a freshness to it, you are going to enjoy the songs as much as the dancing. Trust me.
Oh, that's so interesting. And are you going to have these competitors in your groups? Like how many of them you
Okay,
know,
so there
with
are
the judges?
we have the top 12 already. And no, we are not going to divide them into teams. Right now, they are individually with their gurus. So you will see 12 fantastic performers with their 12 fantastic gurus.
Gurus.
You're familiar with most of them.
Okay.
Some we are also getting to meet,
Mhm.
and it's going to be fun. Promise me you'll watch.
Oh, we always watch. My mother watches. She's 95.
Really?
Yeah, she loves dancing.
And she's going to love the songs.
She loves all these things, you know. She's so used to watching television. She loves it. So, anyway, any films you are doing?
Right now, India's Best Dancer has kept me busy and on my toes to learn what India Wala dance is all about. So I'm busy with that R&D right now.
Oh, okay. Are we going to have some difference of opinion with these
100%.
judges?
100%.
And who's the most amicable, Geeta ma'am?
No, I think we all have our individual personalities.
Okay.
Terence has always been very vocal about how he wants to see a dance form, how clean it needs to be, how sharp it needs to be. So he's going to have his opinions. I have always been vocal about and blunt. Today I heard that I'm also strict. I'm blunt. So that's going to happen. So when you have people with different personalities, their opinions obviously are going to clash at some point.
Yeah.
But I'm sure that it's good to have different viewpoints on that panel. It just helps the dancer understand what can be done, and he's getting 4, I think, valuable feedbacks.
Wow.
So,
Okay. You said somebody told you is strict, but I feel all the children are so close to you. They call you ma, and you really gel well with them. You know?
thank you, ma'am.
How do you look at this title of yours? You know, Geeta Ma.
As a blessing, always. It comes with a lot of baggage. It comes with a lot of responsibility. So I am hoping that I am taking care of that responsibility well.
I've seen you in teary eyes also when the children the competitors don't win and they lose, you know. What exactly you feel? Because you've been nurturing them, you know, seeing them over and over again. When they're leaving, what kind of emotions pour out? You know?
I think we all connect with the fact that when we work hard towards a certain goal and it doesn't happen, and you are a person who's put in a lot of hard work, it's sad to see hard work not come to fruition. So if they do well, I'm very happy. But if they're leaving that journey halfway or midway, and you see potential in them, whether it's due to the voting or the one performance that goes bad, I just feel I feel bad. I don't know why. पता नहीं क्या है.
I know.
But I mean, obviously, this is that one platform left now where human connections are there. बाकी आप जब social media पे रहते हैं, तो there is nothing it's not a human connection. I think India's Best Dancer, Super Dancer are such platforms where there's still an opportunity to connect with people, to connect with dancers, to connect with each other, to learn from a guru. It's important to have that. I think वो कहीं दुनिया में कम हो रहा है, and I'm lucky that I'm a part of a show where it still stays alive.
Javed Jafri ji is joining after ages, you know, and he is a brilliant dancer as well. How do you look at his association with this competition?
I'm a little nervous because he has
Why?
a lot of knowledge. He comes with immense value. His knowledge about dance, the industry, a perspective that he brings, it's very vast compared to, I think, all 3 of us who are sitting on that panel. So I'm a little nervous to... I hope he doesn't start judging us, because he's also the master of, television reality shows. So I really hope he doesn't judge us at any point and say, क्या judgment दे रही है? I hope खरा उतरना जो कहते हैं, I want him to look at me in that light, that I'm doing well, because he's also my guru at some point in life. So, little nervous, in awe, but very happy and excited that he's back and he said yes to this show.
Have you said adieu to choreographing on big screen?
I think
People
in a
would
way,
like
yes.
to see. You know?
I think I never say never, but I think it's been a choice for quite some time. I haven't taken up work on the big screen.
Conscious decision?
Conscious decision, yes, ma'am. Because I feel that the day I have something better to produce than what I have, I will make that a yes again. Till then, I think if I don't have something new to give, और अगर वही चीज़ मुझे बार बार रखड़ के करना है, then I don't want it.
Have you met your mentor, Farah ma'am?
for a long time. She's been very busy with Dilip. I will meet her soon.
She
I'm
has
sure
not
she'll be
come to
coming
your
on the-
house.
She's come. She's come. We've done our
Okay.
little thing. So yeah, I'm very happy that she does what she does right now on YouTube. She's killing it. Very happy.
Okay, before we conclude, any message you would like to give?
Our show is coming, India's Best Dancer, season 5. Please do watch it. We come with a promise of that we're going to touch your heart once again, and we're going to keep you in our hearts all over again. So please do watch us.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank you. It was a pleasure.